Set includes 1 exfoliating cleanser 6.76 Florida ounce, thoroughly cleanse skin with foaming peptides and a burst of citrus that will energize skin, revitalize hydration and enhance a healthy glow. 1 pre-treatment toner 6.76 Florida ounce, this age-defying toner exfoliates while brightening and evening out skin tone. 1 5x Power Peel 7-day pack, resurface, clarify, brighten and smooth away the appearance of wrinkles with 5 powerful daily exfoliators. A retinoic-like peptide accelerates brightening and anti-aging results, while an anti-redness peptide and antioxidant-rich red and green tea soothes the skin and quenches free radicals. 1 Power Serum 1 Florida ounce, this power pack treatment delivers the most advanced peptides, antioxidants and a growth factor activating plant extract to immediately improve skin health while revealing a firmer, years younger appearance. 1 Power Lift 1 Florida ounce, target all visible signs of aging and quench dry skin with this ultra-rich moisturizer that includes a blend of peptides, antioxidants and skin brighteners. 1 large limited edition luxury train case improves skin radiance and clarity, encourages cell turnover for a refreshed appearance, helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, helps improve skin firmness and volume. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.